Okay, some people na do sometimes na asị gịnị mere Evangelist Ebuka Obi ji ebe akwa na ọ chọkwana end 100 days fasting and prayer. Well, in this video mma akọwara the main reason mere Evangelist Ebuka Obi ji ebe akwa na ọ chọkwana end 100 days fasting and prayer. Akwa ọ na-ebe abụ camouflaging. Akwa ọ na-ebe abụ na ọmụma ebe ya ọ bụrụ ọsọ ome acting. Because I'm after some people, but I comment rubbish. I said that Evangelist Ebuka Obi is acting, not a cash out. How? Who lego at this place now? This is not acting. Abuka no camouflaging. Yeah, this man bonye ife ndi Igbo na-eme site n'arụ. O bụ onye ife mere mmadụ na-eme site n'arụ. It's not camouflaging. After some time, some people put and comment rubbish, source bad thing against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Like these guys in this place, see that now, this guy you sabi art. How? This is not acting at all. It's not acting. Like this guy, I say this man is funny. How can it be funny? You look Lego na Evangelist Ebuka Obi anya. Ungama na otara arụ na this video. Stop on the castigate Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Stop on ya. Like this man can say, what is the name of this movie? As how? Ebuka Obi zukwani ike ndị riri. Who line those people comment rubbish in Evangelist Ebuka Obi post on the Igbo. Yes, ndị Igbo ife ọma adị manarụ. Some people put na comment rubbish na-ekwu thing against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Like this man I say, after most chorus and with his twin brother. Or an anointing. He line the people that comment this type of rubbish. Bundibu. Uronya Wosa or Boni Roba, give the time, but not comment sustain. Like when I say, cash out, scatter to loading, try tears of joy. As an Igbo man, you don't want to cash out. Why are you castigating on each naked man? If not on Open Ugo, you also appreciate Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Yes. Appreciate this man. Obugu no we use yes niggas like here this man about Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Like here that know the development na Igbo land. Ke pastor if a government gonna make but this man have sacrificed a lot in Igbo land. Obugu if a government man Nigeria government they are not thinking of doing something. But Evangelist Ebuka Obi with resource in Imo State. Since Imo State am forest. Bu a typical forest. The government made that place or Bray City. But only this man called Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Some people put and comment rubbish who source bad inference about this man. I'm not a Zionite, and I got the Lord using charismatic revival movement. But this man, I love the way he's doing. Always some things man have to be. But this man is doing it. This man with 150 buses gave people from Okpala to Lagos State. Whether in Aga Lagos, so I mean, whether in Agazion Ministry, over 250 buses gave people. Whether in a program, some people think not east. For that program, buy. I'm gonna put on a comment. That's the Evangelist Ebuka Obi want to cash out. As an Igbo man, do or you take cash out. Obu not easy. Go and cash out by yourself. You lying at this place. No gafuna if I say Ebuka Obi have sacrificed a lot. Yes, he have sacrificed a lot for the Igbo, for Zion ministry. Ebu camouflaging. Obu no kiriwe ni never say Ebuka Obi gene ori say like this for how do ya. Watch this particular video now. This man that I run at this video. It's not camouflaging. Yes, it's not camouflaging. I don't know how 4G. Watch, yeah. Go say that now this 100 days fasting and prayer. If that don't meru any easy. Because some people that's that now you want to cash out. How? Those people now comment rubbish in this push. Bundibo. Ngoronya Wosa no this page na comment rubbish. Ngoronye roba. Anya fani ine. Gana comment rubbish that place. Na comment that na this man is now that na ongo kuros on the Igbo. Ngoronya Wosa no this place. Watch this man about Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Obuno ko riwe ni because people that he want to cash out. Obuno ko riwe ni the type of food this man ugeri. You are not gonna comment rubbish this place. You have ever tested it before? Yes, you never tested it. This man called Evansi Ebuka have sacrificed a lot for ndị Igbo, for ndị Okpala. Ọ dịrị easy ibute development. Ke a pass to Mego Stostin. Ke a pass to the type of development only this man will wait all the way from Lagos State to Igbo land. Onye mere. O may say Stostin. Some people are not comment rubbish. Even though that you don't like Evansi Ebuka, for your name, but like good at that now. Oh, the development all the way from Lagos State to Nigeria. What's with this man? If you lie and I say, yeah, man, what go raro? Yes. You look at Evansi Ebuka, man, what raro? That this Sunday, this person and pay me group that will me remember easy. Evansi Ebuka, you shall live long. You shall live long.